Alright guys, so today we're going to be installing Shogun frame sliders. I bought the whole kit. I bought it at the Lamo Motorsports in Redondo Beach. It comes with the full frame sliders, the spools, and the bar ends. So the kit has all the screws, all the bolts and everything. So relatively good price. And these are the tools that we're going to be using. So you're going to need some blue Loctite, so that way whenever you put it on, the screw doesn't come undone. We're going to be using these bits that already have the star and the hex, torque wrench, and a 1/2 inch wrench. So we're gonna go ahead and just jump into removing this. And I know I didn't mention this earlier, but this is a 2018 BMW S1000RR. So now let's go ahead and jump right into it. This has already been pre-loosened before I started the video, just to make things a little bit easier. So we're gonna use the 1/2 inch ratchet, and this is a T50 star shaped. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that. It's a little heavy, so makes it a little easier here. All right, now there's gonna be a washer in here. You wanna make sure that stays in there. And we're gonna be using the smaller frame slider as opposed to the longer one. The small one is gonna go on the right side. And you're gonna be using this bolt with this washer. And once again, we're gonna be adding a little bit of Loctite, just so it doesn't come undone. Spread it around a little bit. All right, so we're gonna go ahead. Now we're gonna switch to the hex bit. The kit does not have the start. This is 8, and it's a 3/8 wrench. And once it's a little snug, tighten it a little bit more. Now we're gonna go ahead and use a torque wrench, and we're gonna tie it down to 36 foot-pounds. There we go. One last time to make sure it's in there. Yep. And there you go. Now that we've done the right side, we're gonna go ahead and move over to the left side. Alright guys, so turns out I thought it was recording, but it wasn't. So we already moved on to the left side. I already removed the bolt, the original bolt, which is this one here, and it uses the star bit. And now we're gonna go ahead and install the frame slider, which is the longer piece. As you can see, I've already added blue Loctite to help it stay in place, and that way when I'm cruising around, it doesn't just slide out of nowhere. So and then my engine will fall. So once again, this uses the hex bits. It doesn't use the star anymore. And now we're gonna go ahead and install that in here. So like such. This is actually a fairly simple, easy to do it yourself. You know, I've been riding for a few, like about a year or so, and you know, it's kind of fun to be able to learn how to do, you know, a few things on your own, as opposed to taking it to a dealership or somewhere that are gonna charge you a lot. So, all right, so it's in there tight. Now once again, we're gonna use 36 foot-pounds. It's still there. And once again, just to make sure that it's in there. All right, and we're all set. Hey guys, so this is the final product. This is how it looks. Stay tuned. I might upgrade the headlights to either LED, HID. I'm still unsure. There's still some modifications I want to do, but or I might just upgrade to a 2020 S1000RR. So stay tuned and let's find out what happens from here.